Are there any third-party tools that can help me find my old call history on my iPhone?
Hello there. Today we're going to talk about how you can retrieve your old call history from your iPhone. It's not uncommon for us to accidentally delete call logs or simply need to look up old call history. While Apple itself does not provide a straightforward method to do this, don't worry, there are a few third-party tools that can help. Remember, always use trustworthy and secure tools when dealing with personal data.
What tools can help?
There are a number of third-party tools that can assist you in retrieving your old call history from your iPhone. Some of these tools include Dr.Fone, iMobie PhoneRescue, and Enigma Recovery. These tools are designed to recover various types of data, including call history, messages, contacts, and more. They can be used on both Windows and Mac systems.
How do these tools work?
To understand how these tools work, let's use Dr.Fone as an example. The Dr.Fone toolkit includes a feature known as data recovery. 1. First, you need to connect your iPhone to your computer and select the Data Recovery option. 2. Then, from the sidebar, select Recover from iOS device. 3. On the screen that follows, you can select Call History and then click Start Scan. The tool will scan your iPhone for deleted call logs. 4. After the scan is completed, you can preview the found data and select the call logs you want to recover. 5. Finally, click Recover to Computer or Recover to Device to save the call logs. Remember, the process may slightly vary depending on the tool you choose to use, but in general, the steps will be fairly similar.
What should I keep in mind?
It's important to note that data recovery is not always 100% guaranteed. The success of data recovery depends on several factors, including how long ago the data was deleted and whether new data has overwritten it. Additionally, always choose a reputable and trusted tool to handle your personal data. Make sure to read the privacy policy and check user reviews before using a tool. And that's it. We've looked at how third-party tools can help you retrieve your old call history from your iPhone. Remember, it's always best to regularly back up your iPhone to prevent any loss of important data in the future. I hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching.